This is the Realme C33, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So to begin with, you need to turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data if possible. So I'll do exactly that. Then among the control center shortcuts, find the nearby share, then touch and hold on to it. In here, first of all, you need to add or verify if you have already added the phone number. Then turn on the switch, this one. Then you can edit the device name and set a custom one if you would like to. I'll name it HardReset Realme. Then you can switch the device visibility between hidden, visible to contacts only, and visible to everyone who is in range. And finally, you can also configure the data transfer mode that will be used for, well, file transfer, obviously. You can set it to be, you can allow it to use mobile data, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth only. So that would be it. Not for this video, but for the nearby share feature setup. Now we can test it out and see how well it works. So I have this, well, what is it? It's Realme. Redmi phone in front of me. I will send something with it using the nearby share. The first quest I need to complete is to find the application for gallery or photos. And as you can see, that's the hard one. I'm struggling. So whatever. Gallery, no. Here it is. Gallery, Google Go. So let's say I want to send this picture. So share, more, nearby share. Wait until our Realme phone gets discovered over here. Here it is. Now we have to accept the file transfer on the receiver's end. Accept, and the image has been successfully sent and respectively received. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.